The first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you open up your drive. Open up your drive. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on your camera icon from the home page. Then here you go. You have scan multiple pages simultaneously. All you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on Got It right here. Then here you go. Scanning documents. You can see right here. So once you scan, position the document properly, and then it's going to auto scan just like so. You can see it's trying to recognize the board page, and boom, you have that right here. And the second one is going to scan just like so. Then you can as well slide to the next page and then position the document, scanning, boom, successful. Then when you are done with scan, you can preview your document just like what you see right here, and then you can see properly in different pages on a separate part. It's that simple. Next thing you want to do right here, you can enhance, you can filter, you can crop, you can rotate, you can clean some area that you don't want from the document. Once you are done, go ahead and click on next right here. And that will take you right here. Then here, you can either make it a PDF, or better still, you can make it your JPEG. And at the same time, you can simply click on upload right here. This allows you to upload a file into your Google Drive, just like so. After the successful upload the file to your Google Drive, that's upload completely, you can refresh your Google Drive. Then you have the scan document right here. For you to download the scan document, simply tap on these three dots right here. And then here you go. You can simply come down below right here and go ahead and simply click on download right here. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.